how to mark emails as read or unread in Apple Mail on the iPhone 14 series. First, swipe up at the bottom of the screen to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the Mail app. Then go to your inbox, so select an inbox that you would like to use. And in your mail list, swipe to the right and then tap on Unread or Read. If it is unread, then you can mark it as read. When email is marked as read, you can swipe across and then mark it as unread. When it is unread, it has a blue dot on the side to indicate that the email is unread, and then you can just mark it as read and the blue dot will go away. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now you can also mark multiple emails as read or unread by simply tap on the edit button at the top. Then here you can select multiple emails and then tap on mark at the bottom from the pop-up. Then you can choose to mark as read or unread. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.